I would agree, oil changes are definitely one of the most important things. It's the most reasonable you could do, obviously, and it's the best just to keep all things moving correctly and clean.
As far as factory maintenance on your vehicle, I would suggest looking at your tires, making sure that your tires are in good repair, that they're rotated on time when they're supposed to be rotated, and that the car is always in balance will help prolong the life of the tires and ensure the safety of everybody in the car. You want to make sure that your brakes are in good order and certainly that your fluid levels are where they need to be as well. Turn on your air conditioning before you leave the house. If it's a summer drive, it's likely going to be hot, and you don't want to get halfway down the road and realize that your air conditioning isn't blowing as cold as it would be.
Windshield wiper fluid and of course windshield wiper blades have to be nice and fresh just in case the weather isn't what you're looking for.
I know it's summer and everybody likes the AC, but if you don't have to use AC, it's always better because AC takes a lot of power out of the engine.
I would say using the recommended fuel as well.
Don't speed. Speeding, car's driving faster, it's working harder, it's using more fuel.
And just regular maintenance, making sure everything's up to snuff.
We've been in the location that we're in for almost a decade now. And if there's one thing that we really pride ourselves on, it's understanding how people want to buy their car today, making your decision easy and making it a fun experience.
The repeat business is very much a big part of our day-to-day operations.
Customers are our priority. They come first. We give them a right answer. We don't sell things that don't need to be sold. The new subway line, it should clear up all the traffic. People can get to our business easily, so that will promote our business. And plus it will beautify the neighborhood, which we need.
I think now we're going to be able to see more people making their way across the city by way of the Eglinton corridor.
I think all the businesses around the neighborhood will benefit greatly, and I just welcome the day that it's all done.